At first, Florida's governor says 2.5 million people are under evacuation orders as the outer band of Hurricane Ian reaches southern parts of the state. The storm slammed into Cuba as a Category 3 hurricane and is now strengthening in the Gulf of Mexico. Jason Allen has the latest from Tampa.
High over the Gulf of Mexico, hurricane hunters flew into the eye of Hurricane Ian, a full 20 miles wide. Far below in Key West, people snapped photographs of powerful waves coming ashore. The outer bands of Hurricane Ian are pushing into South Florida as the storm heads north. It's currently on track to reach the Sarasota area as a major hurricane before slicing up and over the state.
Unfortunately, conditions over the southeastern Gulf of Mexico are going to be favorable for Ian to go ahead and strengthen additionally. Could see it get up to Category 4 intensity.
At least 2.5 million people are under orders to evacuate.
I think I was pretty ready when they said hurricane. Yeah, I'm not a trooper.
All along Florida's Gulf Coast, sandbags are piled up in front of homes and businesses, windows boarded up. Forecasters expect Ian will be a major water event.
Most of the forecasts have it slowing down to almost a crawl, and what that means is it's going to dump an inordinate amount of rain.
Storm surge could also be significant, up to 10 feet in the Tampa Bay area. Even in neighborhoods that are built right on the water, not everyone is leaving. They know that their homes are at 11 or 12 feet of elevation, right at the edge of what the potential storm surge could be. We caught up with the Musler family boarding up their Tampa home. They're staying because daughter Renee is scheduled to marry her fiance Weston on the beach Saturday.
Right now we can't get a marriage license because the clerk's closed, so we got some things to juggle.
They hope the wedding will still be a go for this weekend and the state will weather the storm. Jason Allen, CBS News, Tampa, Florida.
Good luck to them.